4 hours from New York City, and suddenly we've swapped honking horns for winding mountain roads and small town charm. Welcome to Bolton Landing, a place so cozy you'll want to stop at every single shop. And yes, I did want to, but we had somewhere important to be. And then we saw it, the Sagamore. This sign basically says, get ready for a vacation you'll brag about. Crossing this little bridge feels like a scene from a movie. On one side, reality. On the other, a lakeside escape where your biggest problems is deciding pool or lake first. We skipped the main hotel and went for one of the villas. Why? Because sometimes you want to feel like you have your own private lake house, but without doing your own dishes. Our villa had a full living room for lazy mornings, a kitchen stocked for cooking, or in our case, storing snacks, and a balcony that puts Lake George right in your lap. Seriously, I could have just stayed here all day. King size bed, perfect for starfish sleeping or dramatic morning stretches. Big bathroom, separate shower, massive tub. All the space you need to unpack the 12 different shampoos you brought just in case. Heading to the main hotel, take the nature trail. It's short, peaceful, and makes you feel like you've done something outdoorsy without actually breaking a sweat. 2 outdoor pools and 1 indoor pool means swimming is always an option, rain or shine, summer or winter, and yes, I've tested them all for research purposes. Outdoor dining with the view that makes your burgers taste like it came from a 5-star chef. Or, if lounging is more your style, there's another outdoor dining spot where you can sink into a chair, sip something cold, and stare at Lake George. Oh, and if you're feeling adventurous, there's a swimming and fishing area right there. Yes, you can literally go from fork to fishing pole in minutes. The free ferry is a must. 3 trips a day, each one showing off a different part of Lake George. You just sit back, relax, and let the views do all the work. Pickleball, tennis, or just stand there holding a racket so it looks like you've exercised. No judgment. The rec center is like an activity buffet. Baseball field, rock climbing wall, basketball court, mini golf, foosball, ping pong, billiards, even a movie theater. All free. Seriously, you could stay here for days without running out of things to do. And if you actually want to work out, the gym is huge. With all the machines you'll probably ignore in favor of another swim. And at night, this is the sweet spot. S'mores by the fire pit. Live music in the background, stars overhead. The perfect ending to a perfect day. The Sagamore isn't just a place to stay. It's a lakeside playground where every day feels like a highlight reel. Just 4 hours from New York City, but about 1,000,000 miles from stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You're welcome.